So, how does AI work anyway?
AI has three basic parts. Dataset finds patterns, makes prediction. AI learns from lots of data and is programmed to find patterns on its own. When it receives new data, it can make a prediction.
What is a data set?
A dataset is a set of data. Data is information. So a dataset is lots and lots of information. Lots of images, or lots of sounds, or lots of text.
So, data for AI is like food for humans.
You and your family create data every day when you use technology.
Stop and think. What kind of data does your family create each day using your computer or smartphone? Take a few minutes to write down your ideas.